Welcome to Life Assembled, where we build Lego sets while uncovering the real history, ideas, and lessons behind them. Today's build is Iron Man, and to understand this helmet, we need to understand why Iron Man exists in the first place. Here's something most people don't realize. Iron Man was created in 1963 by Stan Lee, Larry Lieber, Don Heck, and Jack Kirby during the height of the Cold War, a time when technology was advancing rapidly and people were both excited and afraid of it. Stan Lee openly said his goal was educational in its own way. He wanted to create a hero that readers shouldn't like, and then challenge them to understand him anyway. Tony Stark wasn't chosen because he was noble. He was chosen because he was brilliant, wealthy, and deeply flawed. That wasn't an accident. This tells us something important about storytelling. Fiction often reflects the anxieties of the era it's born in. Iron Man wasn't about power. It was about responsibility in a world where technology could either save lives or destroy them. Iron Man was never meant to be likable. He was meant to be necessary. Decades later, when Iron Man reached the big screen, Robert Downey Jr.'s performance added another educational layer. Downey didn't just play Tony Stark, he embodied the idea of rebuilding yourself after failure. His own personal history mirrored the character's arc, making the story resonate far beyond the screen. This is where the lesson becomes clear. Iron Man was never the suit. The suit was just a solution to a problem. The armor isn't the hero, the thinking is. And that's why this helmet matters. Brick by brick, it represents a simple truth. Progress doesn't arrive fully formed. It's built, piece by piece, through problem solving, accountability, and persistence. You don't need perfection to start. You need curiosity, effort, and the willingness to improve. That's the real lesson Iron Man leaves behind. Because meaning, like life, is assembled.